too. Hey, look, it also goes back.
Which one?
See?
Yep.
Okay, go.
Ready?
Yeah.
There you go.
See, it also goes back. Whoa.
Dustin, go land it on the tree, on top of the tree. It is hiccuped. Good one. Hey, turn the lights out and then turn the lights on the helicopter on.
Okay. Wait, let me turn this off first. Let it charge. Charging. Charging.
All right. That's cool. Did you kill the bird?
I'm sorry, bird. Wait, even better.
Dustin, you're gonna get caught in the tree. That's so neat. You know what it looks like, Dustin? Oh, now that's cool. How did you do that? Dustin, don't tear it up.
It's dead.
Okay.